Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. In earlier versions of iOS, password management was confined to a specific settings page. Now, iOS 18 introduces a dedicated passwords app that consolidates password management features into one convenient space. In this video, I will give you a comprehensive overview of Apple's new Passwords app so you can learn how to use this tool on your iPhone. Let's go! As I mentioned earlier, the new Passwords app is included in the latest iOS 18 update. If you haven't updated yet, go to Settings. Navigate to General and open the Software Update page. To get started with the Passwords app, open it and authenticate using Face ID or your device passcode. Previously saved passwords will be automatically migrated to the new app and categorized based on their associated services, such as passkeys, codes, Wi-Fi, and more. In the All card, you'll find a comprehensive list of your saved credentials. Clicking on the password field will reveal and allow you to copy the password. If you need to modify any information associated with a saved entry, tap the Edit button in the top right corner of the password details screen. You can directly edit the username, website details, or any associated notes. However, to change the actual password itself, you'll be redirected to the website or app where the password is used, allowing you to update it directly from the official platform. For added security, the new app now stores two-factor authentication codes directly, so you no longer need to rely on SMS or other applications. To set it up, simply click Set Up Verification Code within the password entry page, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. The Passwords app includes two additional categories that aid in password management. In the Security card, Apple automatically identifies common vulnerabilities like easily guessed passwords, reused passwords, or passwords that have appeared in known data breaches. This helps you prioritize compromised accounts and take steps to strengthen their security. Moreover, when you remove a password entry, it's saved in the Deleted folder for easy recovery in case of accidental deletion. To add a new password entry, simply click the plus button located in the lower right corner. This will open a form where you can fill in the necessary details such as the website link, app name, label, username, password, and any relevant notes. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.